Hello, welcome back. Day 117. Did some photos for the website. Was Wimplo today. This is a photo that we're gonna do for today. I got a bunch of other ones I gotta edit for the website, but this is one I'm picking for today's photo. This is gonna go in as my 365-day challenge photo. Alright, let us start this edit. What? Okay. Alright. Let's balance this out a bit. Skin tone a little less sickly looking. Still want these darks. Cute. Alright. Crazy. He said he let brush himself, and we can obviously tell that that did not happen. So we're gonna get rid of what we can. Let's see. Dust. No dust, damn it. What the fuck you mean? Okay, so let's clean. And so that does not fuck up crazy. I got much darker than I expected. My apologies, y'all. I didn't realize it was dark 30 over here. Turn that light on. Let's sync up the speaker drives. Alright, this looks pretty good. Okay. I think I'll do now mask. Now we shall mask it all.
Now we'll learn who's the best.
Alright. So we are going to do person. Time person. Bring him just a bit. Man, so much gear. That's pretty good. Spine, yeah. I think it would be okay. Hopefully. Alright. Now we will learn who's the best. That's who's the best. So we have mask here. Now we got duplicate invert set mask over. Very good. Now we have that mask. Take saturation down a bit. Texture, clear. Just use. Alright, that's our photo for today. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next. I gotta get to finish editing the rest of these and get them ready for the website. Go check it out, by the way. Squeaky Door Productions. Squeaky like that. SQUEEKY, 2 E's instead of an A. And doorproductions.com. Go and try the Rate My Photo app. Let me know what you think. Down in the comments. Like, subscribe for more. And yeah, come become part of the community and go to Squeaky Door Productions on YouTube. There's going to be a lot more footage going over there behind the scenes of building this company. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Peace.